What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are going to be continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Evotech Performance Radiator Guard. Evotech Performance Radiator Guards are one of the first few modifications that I make to any new motorcycle, and that's because I see them as a necessity. Motorcycle radiators are large, exposed, and susceptible to damage because they are extremely delicate items. The smallest rock could punch a hole in your radiator and leave you stranded, and it would suck to have a new bike taken from you due to radiator repair because you didn't protect the bike. Now, most manufacturers don't do anything about this. They don't give you any sort of protection, and it's all on the consumer. And Evotech Performance filled that gap and that need. Now, the Tenere 700, on the other hand, does come with a plastic shroud, so hats off to Yamaha for that. They thought about it. But the problem with the plastic shroud is it still has large gaps in between each section of the shroud. Now, that shroud is going to work great to stop larger rocks and other large debris from making contact with the radiator, but when you're riding off-road, oftentimes you're experiencing gravel and sand, and that could have smaller rocks that will zip right through the opening and puncture a hole in your radiator. And that's the least we want, is to be stranded off-road X amount of miles away from home. Now, the Evotech Radiator Guard is going to act like a second line of defense on this bike, and that's because it sits directly behind the plastic shroud. So you're not replacing one or the other, you're keeping the benefit of both, which is absolutely fantastic. It's made of CNC machined aluminum and has hexagonal cutouts on it to aid in maximum airflow so your bike stays cool, but also protects the bike because the holes are small, so most rocks aren't going to get through there. The Evotech Performance Radiator Guard also doesn't require any modification to be installed. We're going to show you how to install it, and it is very simple and straightforward and reuses all the OEM hardware as well, so there's no more parts to keep track of. You simply unbolt the two fairings, slide it in, bolt it back up, and you're good to go. This is one of those things that set it and forget it. Once it's on there, you'll be thankful you have it, and it'll be working for you all the time whenever you swing a leg on over the bike. Now, with all that being said, let's show you how to install it and show you what it looks like. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notifications to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.